Let us see the problems on probability. Last time we have seen different basic concepts on probability, such as what is a random experiment, what do you mean by certain event, or definition of event, then definition of certain event, what is impossible event. Then also we have seen what do you mean by a sample space, what is mutually exclusive event, and what do you mean by exhaustive event. And also at the end we have seen the definition of probability. What is the definition of probability? That also we have seen. Okay, so see once again I will repeat the definition. Let A be any event from a sample space S, then the probability of occurrence of event A is defined as P of A is equal to favorable cases for A divided by possible cases. So that is number of points or number of sample points in A. Okay, that is number of favorable cases for A divided by number of points in the sample space S. So this is the definition of probability of A. So that is, so we may write in short as that is P of A is equal to N of A divided by N of S. Okay, so this is how we can define probability of occurrence of any event A. The chance that event A can occur is number of favorable cases for A, that is number of sample points in A divided by number of sample points in the sample space S. So this is what the definition of probability is. Also we have seen that if this A is a subset of S, this event A is subset of S. So if A is whole of S, if you take A as S itself, then what is P of S? So P of S will be N of S divided by N of S. So probability of S, whole of the sample space, is always 1. And suppose A is impossible event. Impossible event means A is equal to pi. Pi means empty set. That means, for example, suppose if you toss a single coin and you expect that the result, the outcome of the experiment will be 2 heads. One coin is tossed, and how you will get the 2 coins? So it is impossible event. Okay, so that time A will be empty set. There will be no point in A. So in that divided by N of S, that is 0. So remember, probability may be at the least it is equal to 0, and it is always less than or equal to 1. At the most it is equal to 1. So probability of any event always lies between 1 and 0. Okay, so P of empty set, probability of pi is 0, and probability of whole of the sample space is 1. Okay, so This is all about the definition of probability of any event. Okay, now just see some examples on this. If two coins are tossed simultaneously एका बरोबर आहे, find the probability, I write in short, find the probability that number one, at least one head will appear. दोन नाणी टॉस केले, दोघांचं आउटपुट काहीतरी असेल, दोघांपैकी कमीत कमी एक तरी हेड असेल. कमीत कमी एक याचा अर्थ एक चालेल किंवा दोन चालतील. And number two, no head will appear. एकही हेड appear होणार नाही. Okay. This is the solution. When two coins are tossed, the sample space. What will be the sample space? What are the possible outcomes? The sample space S is, what will be S? When two coins are tossed, both of them will show head. There will be head on the first and tail on the second, or there will be tail on the first, head on the second, or both of them may show tail. Okay, so therefore, what is N of S? What are the possible outcomes when two coins are tossed? N of S is 4. Okay, now see the first case. What is the answer that is expected is दोन हेड पण चालतील, कमी 5 रुपये खर्च करणे. असं सपोज तुम्हाला घराकडून सांगितलं तर तुम्ही 1 रुपया खर्च केला तरी चालू शकतो. ओके, सो नाउ I will call let a double dot event that A ने आता मी कुठचा इव्हेंट दाखवतोय, कुठची घटना? At least one head will appear. Event that at least one head will appear. Okay, therefore A is equal to, so at least one head will appear, so कमीत कमी एक, दोन पण चालतील. सो व्हॉट आर द आउटकम फ्रॉम द सॅम्पल स्पेस, की ज्याच्यामध्ये ए इव्हेंट ए घडेल. यस, इथे दोन आहेत, ऍटलिस्ट वन पाहिजे, याचा अर्थ आपल्याला हे दोन्ही चालू शकतील. कमीत कमी एक आहेच ना. दुसरा आहे का ज्याच्यामध्ये एक हेड आहे, कमीत कमी एक हेड, आणि तिसरं आहे एट. ओके, सो व्हॉट डज दिस इम्प्लाय? This implies what is n of A? N of A is equal to 3. Number of points A in 3. Therefore, probability of A. Probability of A means event that at least one head will appear is. What is the definition of probability of A? Number of points in A divided by number of points in S. So you know. So number of points in A is 3 divided by 4. Therefore, your answer is probability of A is equal to 3 divided by 4. So this is what the first answer is. Okay. Now see the second. What is the second answer? No head will appear. let D be the event that no head will appear. Therefore एक ही हेड appear होणार नाही. 3 is equal. या सॅम्पल स्पेस मध्ये असे कुठचे पॉइंट आहेत की ज्या वेळेला एकही हेड appear होणार नाही ते इथे लिस्ट करा. सो एकही हेड नाहीये याचा अर्थ दोन्ही काय पाहिजे ते. So this is the only. Therefore this implies what are the number of points in B? B मध्ये किती पॉइंट आले? 1. Okay. So therefore what is the probability of B? By definition probability of B is equal to number of points in B, favorable cases for B, divided by number of points in S. So that is 1 divided by 4. So therefore what is the answer? Therefore P of B is 1 by 4. So this is the second answer. Okay. So this is about how to find the probability when two coins are tossed. Then at least one head will appear or no head will appear. See some more examples. A pair dice is rolled किंवा thrown पण म्हणतात. Okay. A pair dice is rolled. Find the probability that number one, an odd number will appear. Number two, a prime number will appear. And number three, the number will be greater than 3. Okay. So a die is rolled, and what you have to find? You have to find the probability that the number on the upper face is an odd number. Number on the upper face is a prime number. The number on the upper face is greater than 3. So see, quite simple. Just what you have to do is when a pair die is rolled, what is the sample space? So the sample space, sorry, down. When a pair die is rolled, so the sample space S will consist of all the 6 numbers. Okay, that are listed on the dice, all the faces of the dice. Okay, the sample space S is equal to, what are the numbers they are listed on the upper face? or on all the faces of a pair dice. Dice वरती किती नंबर असतात? 1 ते 6, right? Therefore, what is n of s? N of s, number of points in the sample space is 6. Now come to the first answer. An odd number will appear. Okay, so now define an event. Let a double dot. A means a is the event that an odd number will appear. Okay, therefore आता ह्या ए ला फेवरेबल केसेस एस मधले सॅम्पल स्पेस मधले कुठचे कुठचे आहेत पहा. कधी कधी ऑड नंबर येऊ शकतो यापैकी. हे डाय थ्रो केल्यानंतरचे पॉसिबल आउटकम आपण या सॅम्पल स्पेस एस मध्ये लिस्ट केलेले आहेत. त्यापैकी ए ला फेवरेबल केसेस कुठचे कुठचे? सो 1 ऑड नंबर, 3 and 5. So if 1 appears, event A will occur. That means number is odd number. If 3 appears on the upper face, event A will occur. If 5 appears on the upper face, डाय थ्रो केल्यानंतर वरच्या बाजूला जर का 5 आला तर इव्हेंट ए घडला असं आपण म्हणा. तेव्हा इव्हेंट ए कधी कधी घडतो, 1 आला तर, 3 आला तर किंवा 5 आला तर. Therefore, ए मध्ये किती पॉइंट्स आहेत? 3, right? So therefore, the probability of A is given by, what is the probability of A? Probability of A is equal to n of A. By formula, it is n of A divided by n of S, right? So therefore probability of A, P of A will be n of A, number of points in A, divided by n of S, number of points in the sample space. So number of points in A is 3 divided by 6. So that is half. Therefore, P of A is equal to half. So this is the probability of getting an odd number on the upper face when a die is rolled. Now see the second. Let B event that is prime number will appear. The number is prime. Okay, therefore B is equal. या सॅम्पल स्पेस मधले कुठचे कुठचे प्राईम नंबर आहे? प्राईम नंबर मध्ये असे नंबर्स की ज्यांना तो नंबर त्याच नंबरने फक्त डिवाइड होतो, इतर कोणी डिवाइड होत नाही. सो दॅट इज 2, 3 and 5. Therefore, n of B, so these are the 3 prime numbers. मूळ संख्या झालेलं तुम्हाला ऑलरेडी कळले. So it is again 3. Therefore, by definition, probability of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. Again 3 by 6. Therefore, P of B is equal to half. So this is what the answer is. Okay. Now see the third one. Let, what is the third? Number will be greater than 3 पेक्षा मोठा. ओके, किंवा सपोज आपण असं करूया, सपोज आपण तो 2 पेक्षा मोठा म्हणू. The number on upper face is greater than 2. Okay, therefore what is C? C is equal to, आता ह्या सॅम्पल डाय थ्रो केल्यानंतर असे कुठचे नंबर वरती येतील की जे 2 पेक्षा मोठे घेऊ शकतात. कधी कधी आपला इव्हेंट सी घडू शकतो. इव्हेंट सी घडणं म्हणजे वरती येणारा नंबर 2 पेक्षा मोठा असणे, 2 नव्हे किंवा त्याच्यापेक्षा लहान नव्हे. तर 2 पेक्षा मोठे कुठचे नंबर आहेत? 3, 4, 5, 6 यापैकी कुठचा एक नंबर वरती आला की तो 2 पेक्षा मोठा आहे, म्हणजे इव्हेंट सी घडला. Therefore what is n of C? किती पॉइंट्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये? Number of points in C, that is 4. Therefore what is the probability? Therefore so this implies probability of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. So n of C is 4 divided by 6, म्हणजेच काय आलं? 2/3. Therefore P of C is 2/3. So this is what the answer is. So this is how we can solve the problems on the different cases when a die is rolled or die is thrown. Now suppose consider a problem on, suppose 3 coins are tossed. When 3 coins are tossed, then the sample space is, already I have told you, when 1 coin is tossed, sample space is consists of 2 raised to 1 points, that is 2. If 2 coins are tossed, then sample space is consists of 2 raised to 2. 2 toss केले म्हणून 2 च्या डोक्यावर 2. If 3 coins are tossed, then sample space is consist of 2 raised to 3 points. Okay, suppose 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, comma, find the probability that, find the probability that number 1, at least 2 tail will appear. Number 2, exactly 2 tails will appear. And number 3, at least 1 head will appear. 3 problems झाले एकामध्ये तिथे. Okay, now see how to solve this. Okay, now see, when 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, एका पाठोपाठ 3 नाणी टॉस केली तर the sample space is, the sample space S is एस इज इक्वल 3 नाणे टॉस करताय, तिघांवरती हेड येईल, पहिल्या दोघांवरती हेड येईल, तिसऱ्यावरती टेल येईल. So see, now if you consider any 3 coins and if you toss out of these 8 only, so as 3 coins are tossed, therefore n of s is 2 raised to 3, it will be 8. Therefore n of s is 8. So there are 8 sample points, right? Now see the first one. Let a double dot, at least 2 tails will appear. At least 2 tails will appear. Therefore a is equal to, now see the possible outcomes in S. यापैकी कमीत कमी 2 तरी टेल, कमीत कमी 2 याचा अर्थ जास्तीत जास्त किती येऊ शकतील ते पण चालू शकेल. त्यातले कमीत कमी 2 टेल असणारे कोणकोणते ते लिस्ट करा. HTT, then TTH, then THT आणि all T. Okay, so therefore what is n of a? Ready, n of a किती पॉइंट्स आले? 4, right? Therefore probability of a is equal to, what is probability of a? Yes, by definition it is n of a divided by n of s. So what is n of a? Number of points, that is favorable cases for a, that is 4 divided by number of points in s is 8, so that is half. Therefore p of a is half. So this is what the answer is. Okay, now consider second. Exactly 2 tails will appear. Event define kara. Let b double dot, b is the event that exactly 2 tails will appear. Therefore b is equal to, आता यातले एक्झॅक्टली 2 टेल्स, कधी कधी एक्झॅक्टली 2 टेल्स आहेत पहा. HTT, then TTH आणि THT, exactly 2 tails. Okay, so therefore what is, याच्यापेक्षा वेगळा कुठला असणार नाही. 3 टी असतील तर एक्झॅक्टली 2 टेल नाहीत, त्याच्यात 3 आहेत. ओके, therefore n of b is 3. Therefore p of b, probability of b is n of b divided by n of s, so that is 3 by 8. Therefore, so answer is p of b is 3 by 8. Okay, now see the next case. C double dot, at least one head will appear. कमीत कमी एक, जास्तीत जास्त किती असू शकतात पहा इथे. यस, जास्तीत जास्त, यस, 3 नाणे टॉस केल्यानंतर जास्तीत जास्त किती हेड्स? 3 heads at the most, right? Okay, so at the most there can be 3 heads. So what are the possible or favorable cases for event C? Yes, therefore C is equal to see our sample space, at least one head will appear, means all those outcomes here from S which contain H, कमीत कमी एक हेड, एक सोडला तर बाकी सगळ्यांमध्ये हेड आहे. So that means our C is HH. So therefore N of S is equal to 7. Therefore P of C, N of C here, sorry, N of C is equal to 7. Therefore probability of C is equal to N of C divided by N of S. So that is 7 divided by 8. So therefore P of C is equal to 7 upon 8. So this is what the answer is. So when 3 coins are tossed, so this is how you can deal with the sample space and various types of event. Okay, so this is the problem regarding when 3 coins are tossed, or 2 coins are tossed, or 1 coin is tossed, or 1 die is rolled or thrown.